Turning to a series of project ideas that will fill an afternoon with fall flair. 6 simple Thanksgiving activities for kids using primarily paper, markers, and a few free downloads here and there. Use them now, or you can save these ideas as craftables for Thanksgiving Day. The templates make them easy. Betty Jo Hershey is behind these designs for us. Great to have you. Thanks for being here.
Hi, Brooke. Thanks for having me.
That handprint turkey craft that we all know and love, it will never go out of style, but fair to say these tabletop project ideas kind of take it up a notch.
Well, this turkey is made with crayons instead of handprints, and that makes it fun because it's something that the kids can do and use after they've even made it.
So what's our turkey body in this case?
This is just a little branch off of a tree, and they just need to be sliced and then drilled with a 3/8 bit.
Did you take an axe to a tree?
I didn't. And in fact, I'm actually from Phoenix and we don't even have trees.
So I have to like go
diving, like searching for trees, and we bring them home.
You could forage in your yard, borrow some bits from a neighbor or whatnot. How did you drill the holes?
So it's a 3/8 bit that you drill, and then you're just gonna stick the crayons in. And you can leave, I actually think they're kind of cute without, but to make them totally kiddish, we have a cute little face that you just need to use a 2-inch punch.
You print, you cut, you adhere, and you're ready to go?
Yeah, and don't even punch don't try to cut a circle, just punch it.
Oh, just punch it, she says.
Yeah, and use glue dots to stick that little face on.
Look at you making it easier with each and every step.
Yeah. Liquid glue can be a mess with kids, so I use glue dots whenever I can.
I'm on board with that. Cute little upgrade to our handprint turkey.
And then just stick this out with like a paper tablecloth or paper placemat at each of the kids' spots on the kids' table. Wouldn't that be so cute?
When they make it, they're more proud to use it, right?
Yeah.
And they'll do both with this. All right, what's your idea number 2?
Okay, so kind of keeping with the crayon theme, we have a Color Me Thankful Thanksgiving collection. It includes a dinner invitation for Thanksgiving that the kids will be so proud to color and send out to Grandma and Grandpa or whoever is coming for Thanksgiving.
So this acts as the invite.
This acts as the invite, and then we have name cards that are ruled for kids to write, like they're the handwriting lines that kids are very used to, so that's kind of fun, either for the kids' table or if you have a family-friendly table, they're great for the whole thing. And then this is a banner that the kids will be so proud of because they colored it themselves.
And these are all downloads.
Yes, all of it's free to download, and then let the kids loose to color while you're baking or whatever. And
how proud will they be? Mom puts the turkey on the table, but the kids are responsible for the decor, so they take ownership.
It's so fun. And just a quick thing about banners, a lot of people hole punch them, but I like to slit mine with a craft knife.
Okay.
And this does 2 things for you. One, it makes it so the hole punch can kind of like be really obvious. And this also, once you slide it on to your string,
you don't even notice.
You don't notice, and it will hold it. Like when you're moving it, it moves, but it doesn't like just slip. You know how sometimes...
No slip, no slide, it stays in place.
And of course, tape the end of your string. I mean, that's really easy to get it to thread through, and especially if the kids are gonna try to string it, that will help a lot.
It appears balloons are involved in our next project.
Yes, this is a fun one. These are drums, and what I love about these as a mom is that they're not very loud drums.
Do you know what's so funny? Last night, my sister just said, what is Santa getting Emmy for Christmas? And I said, I think Santa needs to look for a really good drum set. And she went, oh, Pat, you first-time mom, you'll regret that. So this is a mini-size version, not as loud.
Yes, not as loud, and the kids can make it themselves with the balloons. You're just gonna trim it off right where it kind of starts to funnel down.
Okay.
And then this might be something that they'll need a little help with. You stretch it over, and the smaller cans are easier to make, but I've even used a punching balloon to make like those big number 10 cans into drums.
Fun.
And then we have this cute little printable that you can use they can color it or leave it plain and wrap it so that it doesn't look like a tin can anymore, of course.
It's an authentic drum at this point.
Exactly. So that's kind of how you do that one. Let me get a piece of tape here to finish that up.
I can offer a helping hand or two.
Do you want to do that?
Sure thing.
Grab me the tape.
And then not as loud, so no aspirin needed after the Thanksgiving meal. And kids, again, will love that ownership they're able to take part in. Super cute, Betty Jo. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so this is one of my favorite things. This is a cool way. I love chalk art, and my handwriting is not the best. I think a lot of us feel that way with using computers and everything.
You see these beautiful pieces of chalk art online, and you try to recreate that. It doesn't always come off as well as it looks.
And this is awesome because it's basically like a adhesive stencil, and it's reusable.
Oh.
And then there's a paste. It's like chalk made into a paste that you just slide on. And I'm going to do it really quick.
I've used this in Emmy's little book nook. Yes, it's amazing.
Isn't it so fun? And it makes the chalk art like instantaneous. It's almost in some ways better than a printable, right? Because you can like reuse it on your chalkboard.
Well, and it still gives you that chalky feel, right? That rustic.
And then you're just gonna peel it off.
Look at
and it
that.
creates, this I would just take a little Q-tip at home and
clean
wash
it up.
that away, but.
Is that how you made this big size board?
Yes, how cool is that?
Wow, look at the detail.
I mean, when would you ever be able to attempt something like that?
I mean, you haven't seen my handwriting. No, I'm just kidding. I could never in a million years pull that off. So those are all stencils.
Yeah, and this is actually all one, so it's super easy. You just put it on there, swipe, 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 pull it off, and you've got instant chalk art.
Well, you've got art for your kitchen. That could be a statement wall extraordinaire with that kind of detail
isn't
and
that
design.
gorgeous?
Cute. Okay, what's happening here?
Okay, so these are teepees, and you're just gonna die when you find out what these are made out of. They're literally copier paper and toothpicks.
That's it?
That is all. Yes, you take the paper and you apply adhesive to one of the corners.
Okay.
Okay, and then you wrap it. And you just adhere the corner once you kind of like the shape.
I see what's happening,
and there's the little, I mean,
amazed.
like it's literally, you don't do much at all. And then so it'll stand up, you just got to clip those little corners off.
Give it a good base. The toothpicks go on top.
And then again, glue dots. I use the glue dots to just stick the toothpicks up into the top of it to create a teepee. And you can make tons of these and put them all down the center of your table or up on your mantle.
Well, you've done the white computer paper, which works great, but you could even pull pattern paper into it.
Yes.
Couldn't raise your scrapbook stash?
My kids liked drawing like Indian-looking like markings on them too,
like
to make them.
petroglyphs and
Yeah.
Okay, this is cute too. A little snack to finish us off.
Yes, this is caramel corn cobs. You just make we have a really easy caramel corn recipe on the blog, and you just shape it and use streamers to make it look like this is the sisal twine, and it's just so cute.
Oh, it's adorable. What a cute favor. One more.
Yes, this is for educating. This is our fraction pie. So it's a fun time of year to kind of talk about fractions, and then we have lots of free printables that you can use as worksheets, you know, with those crayons on the kids' table to keep things busy.
Hear the word free? It's one of Betty Jo's favorite words, and we love you for that. So all of these downloads you've shown us today, the worksheets, the handouts, they're available on your blog.
On my blog, they're all free. You just have to download them, print them out, and you're ready to go.
Where do we find you?
PagingSupermom.com.
Look for the link on our website. We're planting these ideas early with Thanksgiving in mind, but really they could go all month long. Thank you. It's great to see you. Enjoy our weather while you're here. A little cooler
will, yes.
than where you're from.